I don't actually know how to start this video, so I guess I'll just get straight into the clips. I'm sure I can guess by the title what I won, so that was just a great experience.
That brings us to the end of today, and
we're
we're doing a fair bit of rally. I mean, I was going to say we're doing a fair bit of radio at the moment, but my mind's on the rally, and yeah, I said the wrong way round. It's true. So we had an offer to ride in a rally car, and not just like doing donuts in a car park, not just driving point A to point B, but actually on a rally stage going full tilt. It's not something for the faint of heart. The G-forces involved in this, like you got to be an athlete basically to pull off this kind of stuff at that level. And we're very lucky to have drivers of that capability in Tasmania. And they're all in Tasmania right now for this weekend's Australian Rally Championship. So first of all, make sure you get down to the foreshore on Friday night and check out some rally cars. And then at the Aldina Reserve, we'll be spectating the rally all weekend as they go ham. But someone had to win, didn't they? Hello, SeaFm, it's Nathan. Who have I got with me?
Caleb, how you going?
Caleb, just the man that I was looking for. I hear that you're into rally cars.
Apparently I am, yeah.
Apparently you are. Congratulations, man. You're going for a ride in one tomorrow.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my actual God. Yeah, it's one of the Bucky Subarus, which is going to be, I believe it's driven by Ben Newman as well, one of the competitors. So it's going to be absolutely off its head.
Be an experience I'll never ever get again. This would be not one thing to tick off the bucket list, but it's half of what I want off the bucket list. So.
Basically, yeah, and the other half is just the other half of the seat, isn't it?
Yeah, being behind the wheels. So.
Yeah, totally. You and me both. So and not a lot of people do, but I don't know. Who knows, man? The further you get into motorsport, you might be surprised. But no, I'm absolutely really stoked you've picked this one up, dude. Might have to give you a call on Friday and hear how it went.
Yep, that sounds good.
Caleb's a lucky boy. I and a bunch of other people would love to be doing that. And I would encourage everyone to do whatever they can to move towards their dreams, because sometimes it does just happen, doesn't it?
I just talked to Nathan, the stage commander, and yeah, we're just waiting on some gear to come for me, a helmet and a suit. But yeah, he asked me if I was very excited, and I said I'm very nervous. I'm shitting bricks, to be honest, but I'm never going to get this experience again, I don't reckon. So the only way I'll get it is if I swap seats and get on the driver's side, which one day I'd like to do. Love to do rallycross, that's my thing, but I guess to get into that you got to start somewhere, which I started in Carnicross. I guess the next step is probably regularity, rally, and and then move into proper rally. So yeah, there's some very nice cars. That was just a Subaru that went past. Wow, lumpy. Not sure if you can hear that, but oh, that sounds awesome. I'm all kitted up in the suit, so it's getting real now. So I'm going to be in Ben Newman's car. It's a black hatchback Subaru. Just got told, so yeah, this is going to be so good. He just went past, actually just seen the car, so yeah, it looks like a hell of fun. And I'm going to GoPro the whole thing, so, well, as much as I can, and film as much as I can. Oh yeah. Oh. Put the suit on, now I'm officialing. Oh, this is so good.
have you been in a rally car before?
No,
Right,
never.
they're pretty rough and wild.
Yeah.
Pretty noisy. Take all the pushing and stop it down.
Yeah.
All set?
All set. something. Oh, that was so good. I can't explain just how good that was. The amount of actual like braking they have, like it pulls up when you want it to pull up. Yeah, that's just an experience. So sorry wife, I might have found a new sport. So I got 2 runs. It was more kind of like 4, I guess, because yeah, I had to go out, turn around and come back. And yeah, I'm more of an Evo man, but I reckon if I ever did rally, I'd go a Subaru. That was just great. Parts are everywhere too. More cost effective for me. Yeah. But oh my god, you just listen to the cars. How nice would that be? They're so loud, the sequentials and stuff like that. They're just very loud in the car. But, you know, the amount of gears that they can just pull is awesome. Oh, this is great. Well, that's it. It's 10:15. I've had me two runs. I'm back in the van. Probably go to work now. But oh, I've said it so many times, but I just can't get over it. I reckon it's something I'll do. Try and source something, build something. Don't know, but we'll see what comes up. If something comes up for sale, but I'll try and build my business first. Get a bit of a portfolio with that. And once I get a bit of money coming in that I can justify doing it, then I'll do it. But otherwise, I can't justify it right now, unfortunately. But that's life. I'll get to it eventually. I'm actually at the rally right now, as you can see. But I just want to say a massive thank you to Ben and his crew. They were just so welcoming. They were a bunch of good fellas. Thank you to SeaFm and Nathan and for everyone doing that side, and as well as all the volunteers for the club and everyone that made this happen for me to get the opportunity to have a passenger ride in a rally car. So, but yeah, I just want to say thanks to Ben and everyone that was involved.